Hey, my friends, how you doing? This is Coffee Chug back here with another Google tip for you for the Google Geeking. This is just a small one here, just something that I want to highlight if you've never used Google Classroom, and if you have, then you're already well aware of this. And so, as you're doing this course, I am issuing you assignments and questions and things like that, right? So you can see that during this first week here, I have posted here these little clipboards are assignments. I've added a material to join the Discord, and then I have another little assignment here. And then I also posed a question as you go through. So from the teacher perspective, I filled out one. When I go in here to the stream, right, I can see obviously everything that you see as a student. And I can go in here to this question as a teacher now, I'm able to see how many have turned it in, how many it's been assigned to, and then in this case, I posed a question, and it'll keep track of who marked and how many answers I received in this particular multiple choice. If it was short answer, I would see their responses, and then I can go down here and I can see who's turned things in and who hasn't. Now, this is important for a couple things because from the student perspective, if I switch this over here, one of the things that I like about this aspect of posting everything as assignments or questions, even if you're not doing it for a grade, even if it's not going into the grade book, is that then when I am a student and I go in here to classwork, what it'll do is it'll gray things out that are done. So you can see here that when I was a student, this question, see how it's grayed out compared to like this dark gray. This lets me know that I've already done it, or in this case in material, that means there's nothing there to turn in. And so then if I go to click on this, I can also see that I turned it in right here. And so this just kind of gives you a nice visual of what you've done and what you haven't done. Eventually, as this course moves on, I'm creating topics for everything, and we can talk about that. Is I can then go in by topic and see everything that has been posted, shared, assigned by that topic. So you can see here in this particular case, as a student, it's all been assigned. I haven't actually completed these items yet here as the student side of things. But if I were to go to the Google Meet one, you're going to see here that it's been turned in. And so I can also see my answer. And so it just helps students stay organized from their perspective. And then it also will help you as a teacher see what's been turned in, what hasn't been turned in, things of that nature. And so I think one of the hardest things is when we see the word assignment in the Google Classroom, we automatically associate that with our online grade books that we have to turn in for, an official grade with the class. Think of it as giving them a deadline, a notification, and you can create it so it's ungraded, it's 0 points. All that stuff is really, really important as you work through there. The other thing that's nice about it when you do assign things, when I go into the Google calendar, then you're going to see these things posted on the calendar, and this will do the same thing for students. And so then I can see here on the Google calendar these assignments. They automatically post them. So I had the week one check-in is due by Wednesday, and the Google tip extension is due by Thursday. So then I can go into this assignment and I can see everything that I need is right there with the link to the actual assignment itself. So just some really helpful things in terms of as you're creating your classroom, to think about the structures of using assignment or question, just to help with the organization of your material, your content, for you as a teacher, as well as for the students as well. So just something to be aware of. Let me know your thoughts, questions, ideas, and until next time, my friends, remember, stay awesome.